Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. This video is going to be about the best times of day to trade stocks. So I want to start off by talking about the most active times of day to trade. It's not going to necessarily be the best times of day to trade because the best times of day are based upon your trading style. And not everybody's trading style works best at the opening bell. So the most active time of day to trade stocks is between the hours of 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is when there's the most action and liquidity in the markets. That's eyes, traders being around, and traders want volume to be able to get in and out of stocks. So between the hours of, after 11:30 or so to, 2:30, traders tend to take lunch. That's when the market really starts to slow down. And then they come back between the hours of 3 to 4 p.m., which is power hour. So that's Eastern Standard Time. Now, you want to be very careful trading at the opening bell between that 9:30 to 9:35 a.m. because there's a lot of volatility. It could be between traders trying to take positions, like new positions, or people trying to get out of positions really quickly. So there's a lot of volatility at the opening bell. So you got to really know what you're doing and be careful. Now, for day traders, the best times of day to trade are actually between the hours of 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. due to the volatility of markets, because day traders, they want that stock to move. So they want lots of eyes, lots of action going on so they can get in and out of their positions quickly. The next best time of day to trade for them is between that 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is power hour. So after lunch, when traders are coming back, they're looking at those intraday daily setups, and they might be looking to scalp, towards those end of day setups. So these times for day traders apply to penny stock day traders as well as those that day trade options. And you could also include futures traders here as well, those that are active, during the opening bell. There's a lot of traders that are, futures traders that like to trade that first hour, hour and a half or so of the markets. Now, the best trading times for swing traders is a bit subjective because everybody's swing trading styles are different. Some are longer term, some are more shorter term, and it all depends on what products that they're trading. So many of times swing traders are taking profits between the hours of 9:30 and 11, and then they also might be looking for new setups or entries into positions. Power hour is also very popular for swing traders because the market has kind of played out for the day. So it's easier to kind of look at setups intraday and stuff that might be setting up for another entry to go for a more shorter or longer term play, depending on what type of swing trader they are and what charts that they're using. Then there's also pre-market and aftermarket hours. This is when, it's a lot more risky to trade. There are times and places to trade in the pre-market and aftermarket hours. But again, it's all depending what type of trader that you are. If you're looking to do penny stocks, the pre-market and aftermarket hours are definitely the riskiest due to lack of liquidity because most day traders are trading between 9:30 to 11. There are times that you can get into trades, but you got to be careful because they can dump on you due to that lack of liquidity or people dumping in the pre-market. So you just got to be very careful. Lots of news happens both good and bad in the pre-market. Again, so there is a good time and a place to buy something if you catch something on breaking news before it rips at the open. But breaking news, both good or bad, absolutely affects stocks in the pre-market and aftermarket, as well as economic news and earnings. So futures, they're probably the best product to trade in the after hours. Again, they give you the ability to trade pretty much very flexible hours. So there's a lot of people that trade futures not even during the regular market hours. So it all depends on your trading style. So you can trade them during the market, pre-market, aftermarket, whatever the setup is best, but you're trading basically the overall market. So like any trading strategy, anything can be risky, but stocks run with the market. So, if you're going to trade anything in the aftermarket hours, futures is probably the best. So the Bullish Bears team, we do live streams every day in our Zoom and Discord. So we do Zoom streams inside of our Discord, and we have 3 trade rooms. We have a large caps room, penny stocks room, and futures. So watching us live each day is a great way to learn how your trading style works, to see how it works in the real world. And when you're taking our courses, it's a great way to be able to take what you learn in our courses and then apply it real time. And we always suggest doing that in a paper account until you feel comfortable trading. And what's also great about our trade rooms is that you have the ability to ask questions and interact with other community members. Discord is phenomenal because it's got both chat and voice rooms. So you could watch us do our live Zoom streams each day, and then you can ask questions via type chat in a chat room. You can chat with other community members and do trade ideas as well. And then we also have voice rooms where you can talk and ask questions live and talk to other community members. So that's what's awesome about Discord, is there's lots of interaction every day. So if you aren't a member of our Discord yet, we would love to have you. We have a great community of traders that are just very interactive and a very helpful bunch. So hopefully this video helped you, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.